Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good
Please.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Where should we continue, children? We started distributivity.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have finished that 8th sum, ma'am.
Thank you for the question number. Thank you.
Ma'am, until 8th sum we completed
See the timeline.
gave the number line as homework, ma'am.
Right. Yes.
Ma'am, after this.
Oh, we discussed the fill in the blanks also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, I'm having doubt, ma'am.
in which one, ma'am?
Ma'am, yesterday you have gave that the third sum homework, no, ma'am, in 6th, question number 6, third subdivision.
1 second. Yes. Yes, Bhavishya. Yes, what's it now?
Ma'am, yesterday you have day before yesterday you have gave a homework, ma'am, and question number 6, third sum. For that, I'm not able to take LCM for minus 8 by 3 plus minus 13 by 12 into 5 by 6, ma'am.
In the multiplication file, is it? The homework is.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no, ma'am, addition, ma'am.
No, we didn't do addition in the last class.
Ma'am, question. I'm sorry, ma'am. Multiplication, the question number 6, ma'am.
6 and subdivision?
3, ma'am.
Answer.
Yes.
So, Bhavisha, what you can do is you take a screenshot, go through the answer, and then you can ask your doubt in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children, what else you want?
Ma'am, taken, ma'am. Ma'am, also the number line, ma'am. Question number 1.
Yeah, number line, if you have not.
You gave this one. You told that you will discuss.
Number line, just tell me the rational number.
Ma'am, the rational number is 1 by 2 and 1 minus 1 by 2, ma'am.
Okay, you don't know how to represent this, is it?
No, ma'am, we need to discuss it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, just give me 1 more day's time. I haven't, I'll just prepare it and then so that I can just show the slides. Yeah. Okay, we have to discuss the answers to representing rational numbers on the number line, and then what else?
And that's all.
Okay. So next is division of rational numbers, children. See the question, simplify. I'll do one, the others will be a test. I'll just do the first one for you. 4 by 9, the first one is 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. So we know it's 4 by 9, division becomes multiplication, and the reciprocal of minus 5 by 12 is 12 by minus 5. Now you can simplify, now it's a product. So how do you multiply two rational numbers? We multiply the numerators, we multiply the denominators. We multiply the numerators, we multiply the denominators. We multiply the numerators, we multiply the denominators. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So which is equal to numerator 4 4s are 16, denominator 3 into minus 5, which is minus 15, which can also be written as minus 16 by 15. So we've cancelled actually. So 3 3s are 3 4s are 4 4s are 16. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, which is also minus 16 by 15. All right, children. Mritika will answer this question. Mritika? Yes, sir. Yeah, children, turn on your videos. Swati and Mritika, kindly turn on your videos. Yeah, good. Thank you, Mritika. Swati, please turn on your video.
Put the reason in chat, ma'am.
Yes, Mritika, be the first one to finish. Tell us the answer to this question.
Ma'am, as the number is minus 8 divided by minus 7 by 16, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if there is no denominator, we should take it as 1, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, we should take the reciprocal of 7 minus 7 by 16, ma'am.
Okay, what should I first write here?
Minus 8 by 1 divided by minus into 16 by minus 7, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, now we should just multiply minus 8 into 16, ma'am. And a 7.
Okay. Good. Next.
16, we should multiply 16 and 8, ma'am. If we multiply 6 8s are 6 48.
So 128 minus 128 by minus 7.
Yes,
Next. Next.
Write 128 by 7, ma'am, because when you multiply it into 1, it will be minus will be cancelled, ma'am.
When you multiply by minus 1, when you multiply by minus 1,
The
into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Correct.
will be cancelled.
Very good. Very
Thank
good. Yes. Please complete, children. Same thing, children. The answer to that question which we just discussed.
Completed, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm completed, ma'am.
put the reason for why I did not turn on my video, ma'am.
Sorry, Swati. You have?
Ma'am, I have typed the reason for why I'm not turning on the video, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Now. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. You're traveling. All right, Swati. Good, good. Okay. Is this over, children?
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell the third one?
Yeah, one thing. There's a third question. Yes, Nandana, tell me.
Ma'am, minus 12 by 7 divided by minus 18, ma'am. We can write minus 18 as minus 18 by 1, ma'am. So we can do it as rational numbers, ma'am. Ma'am, next we need to do the multiplication, ma'am. So the second rational number will turn into reciprocal. So we get as minus 12 by 7 into minus 1 by 8, ma'am. Uh, Denominator should not be equal to 0, no, ma'am.
Okay.
So we should change.
Reciprocal of minus 18 by 1 is 1 by minus 18.
Yes.
The reciprocal of minus 18 by 1 is 1 by
1
minus
by
18. Okay, next.
And next we should slash minus 12 and 18, ma'am.
No, what do I say? No. How do you multiply two rational numbers? Minus 12 by 7 is a rational number. 1 by minus 18 is another rational number. How do we multiply two rational numbers? By taking LCM?
No, ma'am.
No.
Multiply as same.
That's what. So we should multiply the numerators
By denominator.
and multiply the denominator. So you must write this. Minus 12 into 1 divided by 7 into minus 18. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next.
And next minus 12 into 1, we get minus 12.
Don't multiply. Don't multiply. Now you cancel. So
Now
6
we
2
can cancel.
3 are minus and minus will cancel. So what's the answer?
And 2 by 21. Minus 2 by 21.
But minus 2. It's only 2 by 21. Good. Nandana.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, this is the next one.
Completed, ma'am.
What's your answer?
Ma'am, 1 by 16, ma'am.
1 by 16. Very good. Please check your steps, children. All right. Try this one. What's the answer?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 64 by 525.
64 by 525. No.
Ma'am, is it 112 by 261?
No, I didn't see that answer. No.
Ma'am, 224 by 525.
Really? Have I gone wrong then in working? Let me check. Gone wrong somewhere. Check, children. See what my mistake is, if any.
No, ma'am, 32 by 75 I forgot.
Ritika, you got 32 by 75?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Because you can simplify, so let me check. Minus 16 by into 14 by minus 15. So multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and tables of 7. 7 twos are 14, 7 fives are 35. So now minus 16 into 2 is minus 32. 5 into minus 15 is minus 75. So it is 32 by 75. Maybe you all didn't, some of you who gave a different answer, did not simplify 14 and 35. The tables of 7.
Yes, ma'am, I did simplify.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Very good. Finish this fast, children. Finish this one. I'm showing you the answer. Also finish it.
Completed, ma'am.
Very good. So how do you simplify this? 13 ones are 13 fives are.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and then
1
1
sevens are 2 sevens are, ma'am.
yeah. So minus 5 by 2. All right. Okay. So we know that division is not commutative. Division is not commutative because you can take numbers like 14 and 7. What is 14 divided by 7? What is 14 divided by 7? 2.
ma'am.
7 divided by 14, 1 by 2. So when you divide in different, when you change the order and divide, 14 divided by 7 and 7 divided by 14, we don't get the same answer in both the cases. Like when you do 14 plus 7 and 7 plus 14, you get the same answer. 14 plus 7 is the same as 7 plus 14. Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative, but division is not commutative. Am I audible, children, and clear? It was raining very heavily here. So I'm just able to hear the
Ma'am,
sound.
sometimes your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Children? Yeah, I was telling you that. Okay. So what I was trying to say, what I was telling you is that addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3 equal. But 3 divided by 5 is not the same as 5 divided by 3. 3 chocolates, 5 children. 5 chocolates, 3 children. When you share it, you will get different, amounts in both. 3 chocolates, 5 children. You will not even get one. 5 chocolates, 3 children. You will get a little more than one. So we know that division is not commutative. When you change the order of the numbers and divide, you will not get the same answer. Division is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Addition and multiplication are commutative. But sometimes you will see, depending on the numbers given, you will see that division is commutative. But you cannot say true. It's false because division is not always commutative. See now, for example, okay, let me take the first one here. Let me take the first one. Look at this one. Now, children, if I take, if both the numbers are equal, now supposing I say 14 divided by 14. And if I change the order, I'll get the same thing, no, 14 divided by 14. Even if I change the order, I'll get the same thing. So you cannot say 7 is a rational number. When I do 7 by 7 or I change the order, I get the same answer. See, so a similar thing is what is shown here in the statement. What is 26 by 10? It's 13 by 5. 26 by 10 is nothing but 13 by 5. Yes or no? No, I'm not solving. I'm just telling you 26. When you take it separately, take up 26 by 10 separately. 26 by 10 separately. 2 13s are 2 5s are. So 26 by 10 is nothing but 13 by 5. So here in this statement, 13 by 5, though it is 26 by 10, this is also 13 by 5. So what is 13 by 5 divided by 13 by 5? 1. Please understand what I'm saying. This 26 by 10 is nothing but 13 by 5. Now you know that 1 by 2, 2 by 4, all are the same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the same as 2 by 4, is the same as 3 by 6. Now if you divide 2 by 4 and 3 by 6, you will get 1 as the answer because they're all equal. When you divide two equal quantities, the quotient is 1. 5 divided by 5, the quotient is 1. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6, they're equal. When you divide, the answer will be 1. 2 by 4 into 6 by 3. 2s are 3s are. 2, 2 cancels, 3, 3 cancels, it's 1. This is also 13 by 5. This is also 13 by 5. So 13 by 5 divided by 13 by 5 is 1. And here also 13 by 5 by 13 by 5 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Doesn't mean that a division is commutative. Here because they've taken the same rationals. Like if you divide 15 by 15 and you change the order, that is also 15 by 15. So you will get 1 in both. You will get 1 in both. Similarly, they have taken 13 by 5 and 26 by 10, where both are equal. 26 by 10 is also 13 by 5. When you divide 13 by 5 and 13 by 5, the answer will be 1. But division is not commutative. The heading is verify whether the given statement is true or false, children. You can see that I've worked the LHS, got 1. Work the RHS, got 1. So it looks like LHS is equal to RHS, same answer. But we know that rational numbers are not commutative under division. Hence, the given statement is false. That is, the statement says that division is commutative. No, division is not commutative. Since division is not commutative, the given statement is false. The given statement shows like as if division is commutative. Division is not commutative, so the given statement is false. Please write down. Verify whether the given statement is true or false.
Ma'am,
Yeah, finished?
ma'am, for that, how we should simplify, ma'am, for LHS?
LHS, how to simplify? Yeah. 13 ones are, okay, not here, not here. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. 2 and 2 cancels. Same thing here. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. And 2 and 2. So it's 1. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Done, children?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
So when it's verify, you have to take up the LHS, you'll have to take up the RHS. Simplify. Though LHS is equal to RHS, we know that rational numbers are not commutative under division. So everywhere the answer is false. See, 1 minute, let me show you all the questions. Everywhere, what do you see? That is, it's minus 9 divided by 3 by 4, 3 by 4 divided by minus 9. They're changing the order of division. See the same rational numbers, minus 8 by 9, minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 8 by 9. Here also, they're changing the order of the division. No, division is not commutative. So everywhere the answer is false. But in the first one, see, normally you will not get LHS equal to RHS here. But in the first one, you're getting equal because it's the same rational number, 13 by 5, 13 by 5. Everywhere it is 13 by 5. They're dividing 13 by 5 by 13 by 5. So you're getting 1. You're getting 1. This is the second question. Work this in the class 3 and 4. You can take a screenshot and complete it later. Done, children? Okay. Yeah. So we work the LHS. So how to simplify? 3 ones are 3 threes are. Then the RHS. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So you see that the LHS is not the value you get in the LHS and the RHS, they're not the same. They're not the same, they're different. LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence the given statement is false. Homework, children. This is the third one. Take a screenshot. Leave some place. Leave some place to complete it. Fourth one. So you can see in all these, the LHS is not equal to the RHS. Here I made a mistake. It's not 9 by minus 14. It should be 14. 9 by 14. When you cancel, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are. Here also. 8 twos are 8 threes are. In the first case, you get 14 by 9. Next, you get 9 by 14. It's not minus 14, it's 14. Anyways, LHS is not equal to the RHS. 14 by 9, 9 by 14. They're not equal. Hence, a given statement is false. What property is this? What is the property and does it hold good for division?
Associative property of
Associative property. So they are trying to illustrate the associative property, but associative property does not hold good for division. When you take 3 rational numbers and group them in different ways and divide, you will not get, when you take 2 rational numbers itself, you don't get the same answer. Rational numbers are not commutative. So obviously they'll not be associative also. When you take 3 numbers, when you take 3 numbers and divide them in different orders, you group them in different ways and divide, you will not get the same answer. So we know that division is not commutative. Division is not associative. So everywhere it's false. All the statements are false. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the statements are false because what is illustrated in the statements is the associative property, because there are 3 different rational numbers. They're grouping them in different ways and dividing. But we know that division is not associative. It's not commutative. So everywhere it's false. We'll do the third one, 1 and 2 homework. We'll do the third one. Take a screenshot. 1 and 2.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah. Now go through
Read the first subdivision, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Took.
Yeah.
Ma'am, show me the second, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So let's understand the third one, children. 1 and 2 you can try similar to the third one. Okay. So now we need to take up the LHS. This is the LHS. So you can see the LHS here. This is the LHS. First, you must simplify the bracket. So this divided by 14 will come as it is, divided by 14 as it is. Sorry, divided by 1 by 14 as it is. Divided by 1 by 14 as it is outside, you can see. Because we are busy simplifying the bracket. So what will happen? Minus 3 by 5 into 35 by minus 12. Then we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. Divided by 1 by 14. We are not doing anything to that. We're simplifying the bracket first. So what do you get when you simplify the bracket? What do you get? 3 ones are 3 fours are. Minus and minus we cancel. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Then 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So we get 7 by 4. When you simplify this bracket, you get 7 by 4. When you simplify the bracket, you get 7 by 4. Now this division becomes multiplication. 1 by 14 is 14 by 1. When you simplify this bracket, you get 7 by 4. Division becomes, now we have simplified the bracket. We got the answer. The answer for this bracket is 7 by 4. 7 by 4. Now you can, now that we have simplified the bracket, you can divide by 1 by 14, which is nothing but into 14 by 1. So that's nothing but 7 into 14 by 4 into 1. 2s are 7s are 49 by 2. In the RHS, what do we do in the RHS? The bracket, see this is the RHS. The bracket must be simplified first. So write this one, minus 3 by 5 divided by, write that as it is. This will become minus 12 by 35. Division becomes multiplication. 1 by 14 becomes 14 by 1. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. And on simplifying, 14, 7 2s are 7 5s are. So 12, minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. 5 into 1 is 5. Multiplying the numerators and denominators. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. 5 into 1 is 5. So now we got the answer for the bracket. Minus 24 by 5. How? 7 2s are 7 5s are. So minus 12 into 2 is minus 24 by 5 into 1 5. Now we have simplified the bracket. So it will be minus 3 by 5. Division becomes multiplication. Minus 24 by 5 becomes 5 by minus 24. So next step is multiplying the numerators, multiplying the denominators. Simplify. 1s are 8s are 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So LHS and RHS different answers. Hence, a given statement is false. Even otherwise, you know the answer is false because division is not associated. Is right on this one, children. Please work this now in the class. Finish, children. Finish writing. Please let me know if you finished writing.
1 minute, ma'am.
1 and 2 homework. 3, please do it now in the class. Finish writing, children.
Ma'am, last one.
Okay. Done, children. Am I audible? Have you finished writing the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay, let me yes now. Do the second. Oh, you already taken a screenshot of the answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This will take a little time to explain. What's the time now? It's 9 already. Okay, don't use what you've the screenshot. Take down the second one. Try this. Please do this in the class now. So first alone will be homework. We'll do it together. Yeah, tell me children, I'll take up the LHS. LHS is minus 16 divided by 6 by 4, 5 divided by 9 by 10, minus 9 by 10. What should I do? What should I do first? Bracket.
All the brackets was
Bracket. Yeah, so minus 16. Division becomes multiplication and 5 by 6. This is in a bracket. Correct? The outside one, you should write it as it is. Outside one, write it as it is. We are not doing this now. Now this is 2 3s are 2 8s are. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now we have to multiply the numerators 8 into 5 and multiply the denominators. What's the next step? Minus 40 by 3 divided by minus 9 by 10. We don't disturb this. Minus 40 by 3 division. Now see, now 1 minute. I don't know if you all understood. See children, what I'm saying is you should simplify the bracket first. You must simplify the bracket first. So in the bracket, division becomes multiplication and 5 by 6 cancelled. Then we multiply the numerator. The numerators, we multiply the denominators. This is in one bracket divided by minus 9 by 10. So this is equal to minus 40 by 3 divided by minus 9 by 10. Is this correct? What will be the next step? What will be the next step? It will be minus 40 by 3. Division becomes multiplication.
Multiplication
10 by minus 9. So it's 400 by minus 27. 400 by minus 400 by minus 27. So minus gets cancelled and we'll have 400 by 27. Correct? In the same way for the second one, that is for the RHS. We first simplify this bracket. You can see division becomes multiplication. And in the bracket, when it's multiplication, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. So you can see that multiplying numerators and denominators. Then you can cancel. 5 1s are 5 2s are, you can cancel. And you get 4 by minus 3. The bracket answer is 4 by minus 3. The bracket answer is 4 by minus 3. Because 3s are 2 3 3 2s are 3 3s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. You'll get 4 by minus 3. So now we have simplified the bracket. That's 4 by minus 3. Now use it with the number outside. Minus 16 divided by 4 by 3 is minus 16 into minus 3 by 4, reciprocal. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So 4 and minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. So you can see we're getting different answers. So which means division is not associative. If you have the same rational numbers, see we have the same rational numbers, minus 16, minus 16, minus 9 by 10, minus 9 by 10, 6 by 5, 6 by 5. If we have 3 rational numbers and we divide them in different orders, the answer will not be the same in both the cases. Division is not associative. Division is not commutative. Is it fine, children?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. Complete your homework. We'll discuss the answers to representing number line, representing rational numbers on number line in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, children.
Can you show the third question first one?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you show me the third question, first one question, ma'am, because I didn't write it, ma'am. I got 20 minutes. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, children. All right, children. That's it for today's session. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, good night.
Thank you, ma'am.